This is Mike from Selari Sound, you know. I'm here to tell you that if only you could have seen it and could have felt it, we would have conquered the whole world, the whole universe together. Yes, cause we were so strong that I'm still wondering why this all happened and went down so hard. Still can't find a reason, you know. We were the strongest tree of the forest. They never had the chance to grow. We were the highest wave of the ocean. They never made its way to the shore. We were the brightest star. Collapsed when it was yet to form. The great equation, never written on the blackboard. So if only you could see the potential that we had, no, I would still be strong as back then. So if only you could see the potential that we have, no, I would still be strong as back then, as back then. If only, if only we were the strongest tree. Cut down when he was just a seedling. To love us so accomplices a day look us to sibling. The deepest roots so firmly in the ground. Take me back to the time when everything I got me spellbound. The brightest star that I naked I could see. No writer could have written the beauty of this story. So tell me why the plot went down so drastically. We could have get together like the white sun and the sea, but see. So I'm still wondering if only you, if only you. No, I'm still wondering if only you, if only. Could see the potential that we had, no, I would still be strong as back then. If only you could see the potential that we had, no, I would still be strong as back then.